This video shows users of the Android edition of the wireless mobile utility how to use SnapBridge. SnapBridge can be used for many of the same tasks as the wireless mobile utility, including downloading pictures and taking pictures remotely. These cameras that support the wireless mobile utility can also be used with SnapBridge. Using the D750 as an example, this video will show you how to complete these 4 tasks. First, let me show you how to install the app on your smartphone. Launch the Play Store. Search for SnapBridge. Click Install to begin installing the app. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the process. The next step is to connect the camera and Android device via Wi-Fi. First, we'll cover the steps you'll take if you've never launched SnapBridge before. Check these 3 items before you begin. Launch SnapBridge. Tap Allow when prompted. Select the desired options and tap Start. Tap Connect to Camera. Find the type of camera you want to connect to and tap the camera name. In this case, we're using a D750, so I'll tap here. That'll display a message telling me the steps I'll have to take on the camera. Leave your Android device with the message displayed and complete the next steps on the camera. Go to the camera setup menu, select the Wi-Fi connection option, and enable Wi-Fi. The camera SSID will be displayed. Leaving the camera with the SSID displayed, return to your Android device and tap Next. Read the instructions and tap here to go to Wi-Fi settings in the Android Settings app. Select the camera SSID. Once a Wi-Fi connection has been established, tap the arrow at the top left corner of the display to return to SnapBridge. When you see a message telling you that a Wi-Fi connection has been established, tap OK to display Wi-Fi mode options. Your Android device is now connected to the camera via Wi-Fi. Next, here's how you'll connect from the second time on. If you've launched SnapBridge before, you'll need to first tap the gear icon at the top right corner of the display and tap Wi-Fi mode. That'll display this dialog where you'll tap Wi-Fi connection. When you see this message, read it and tap Close. That'll display a message telling you the steps you'll have to take on the camera. You can then proceed as you would when launching SnapBridge for the first time. Next, I'll show you how to download pictures from the camera to your Android device. This can be done in one of these 2 ways. First, let's look at how you can manually select existing pictures for download. Tap Download Pictures in the SnapBridge Wi-Fi mode display to view thumbnails showing the pictures on the camera memory card. Tap Select at the top right corner of the display to view the selection dialog. Tap the thumbnails for the pictures you want to download. Selected pictures are indicated by check marks. Once you've selected all the pictures you want to download, tap Download. When prompted to choose a download size, tap the desired size to begin download. Next, I'll show you how to download pictures as you take them. Tap Select in the SnapBridge Wi-Fi mode display. Tap Auto Download Wi-Fi to turn it on. Any pictures you take from now on will automatically be downloaded to your Android device. Lastly, I'd like to show you how to control your camera and take pictures remotely via Wi-Fi. Tap Remote Photography in the SnapBridge Wi-Fi mode display to view shooting controls. Here you can choose a shooting mode and make adjustments to shutter speed, aperture, and a variety of other camera settings. In this example, I'll choose Mode A so I can choose the aperture. I'll tap the current aperture value and choose a new setting. Next, tap the subject to position the focus point and tap the Shutter Release button to release the camera shutter. Tapping the gear icon down here at the bottom right corner displays a dialog where I can turn download on or off and adjust self-timer and other settings. From the menu at the top left corner of the display, online help for SnapBridge can be accessed. Use SnapBridge to enjoy photography in a new way.